This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and in this video, how to play Here Comes Santa Claus, a great Western Christmas song. I'm going to start off like usual by showing you the chords. First finger goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Middle finger goes on the 1st string, 2nd fret. And your ring finger goes on the 2nd string, 3rd fret, and you play 4 strings. To go from the D to the A7 chord, all you have to do is pick your middle finger up and move these 2 fingers over 1 string. So you have your first finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, middle finger, 2nd string, 2nd fret. Go from the D to the G. These 2 fingers slide all the way across and wind up on the 5th string, 2nd fret, 6th string, 3rd fret. Your pinky drops down and gets the 1st string on the 3rd fret. You play 6 strings. Okay, now the only hard chord in the whole thing, you're going to go to F sharp minor 7. Your first finger all the way across the 2nd fret. Your ring finger gets the 5th string, 2nd fret. So the only hard part is holding down that 2nd fret, and with a little bit of practice you can do it. One way to work on it is start all the way up here. In fact, you can play the minor 7 chord. It's one of those movable bar chords that works anywhere on the neck, and the strings are easy to push down here in the middle, up high, and then as you slide down, so you can build up strength that way, and eventually it'll sound just fine. You're going to slide from there to the E minor 7, which is your middle finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, and then A7 again. Now in this case, I'm going to be, just because it's shorter, I'm going to use my middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and my ring finger on the 2nd string, 2nd fret. But if you want to, that's actually a little bit easier. I suppose it's just my habits that are making me do that. So you use your first finger on the 5th string, 2nd fret, whichever is most comfortable for you. Hang your stockings back on the G chord and say your prayers. D major 7 is actually much easier than it looks. You're just going to play the first 3 strings on the 2nd fret and play 4 strings. I usually use my first finger, but any finger works. Okay, don't use your pinky, that's just silly. For B7, I usually use the open B7. First finger goes on the 4th string, 1st fret. Middle finger goes on the 5th string, 2nd fret. And your ring finger goes on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. Pinky goes on the 1st string. So you got every other string on the 2nd fret and the 4th string on the 1st. Play 5 strings. There's a couple of rhythm patterns you can play on it. One of them is the alternating bass. Starting on the D chord, you can go 4th string, strum, 5th string, strum, 4th string, strum, 5th string, strum. As long as you know where the 5 and the 1 are, you can do that. Another way is to just strum, 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 strum. 1, 2, 3, go. Here comes Santa Claus, here comes Santa Claus, right? Watching that steady beat and just playing the downbeats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Keeps a nice steady beat going, and you can sing over it. Don't forget to check the links below for the chart to this song and other Christmas songs that you might like to learn. This is Ben Brown with MoreThanGuitar.com, and this has been How to Play Here Comes Santa Claus. Thank you for watching. Hang your stockings and say your prayers, 'cause Santa Claus comes tonight.